Step-by-step guide to access Kedika OER-PRSC courses. Step 1. Go to YouTube and use the search bar to type Kedika OER-PRSC to find the official channel that hosts the courses. Locate the channel named Kedika OER-PRSC in the search results and click on it to open the channel page. On the Kedika OER-PRSC channel page, you will find Courses tab. Simply click the Courses tab and you will find course modules covering topics like mathematics, Black Studies, Kemet Nubia/Egypt, strategic communication, linguistics, multimedia, research methodology, and many others that will be added. Click on the course or video of your interest. For instance, MIE 100-3, Understanding Exponents and Algorithms, or CQ Test Preparation 2. If you plan to follow several courses or keep updated with new content, click the subscribe button on the channel.